Reframe your toddler's hollow, "I'm sorry." When our children cause harm to others, many of us are quick to orchestrate an apology, but this can also be an opportunity to tap into your child's growing understanding of empathy. 0 to 3 suggests the following. A more meaningful approach can be to help children focus on the other person's feelings. "Chandra, look at Sierra. She's very sad. She's crying. She's rubbing her arm where you pushed her. Let's see if she is okay." This helps children make the connection between the action, shoving, and the reaction, a friend who is sad and crying. By 24 months, children generally begin trying to comfort people they see in distress. This is largely an imitative behavior, mimicking what they've seen others do, but it's an important piece of developing empathy. Once they now have the capacity to comfort others, encouraging your child to do so, in place of a hollow, "I'm sorry," is much more meaningful when they need to make something right.